Good morning students, welcome to online classes. Now today we are going to start chapter 14 simple future tense. Okay, so all of you are knowing future means what is future? आने वाला टाइम है ना, जो टाइम हमारा अभी आने वाला है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फ्यूचर. So simple future tense we will study that how we will speak a sentence when we want to say something that will happen in future. जब हमें कोई ऐसी चीज के बारे में बताना है या बोलना है जो चीज अभी फ्यूचर में होने वाली है या जो हम आगे करने वाले हैं या जो होगा उसके बारे में बताना है, at that time we use or we frame the sentence in our simple future tense. Okay, so here future tense it shows you the action that will happen in future. ये हमें उन actions के बारे में बताता है, उस verb, उस काम को दिखाता है जो कि future में होने वाला है ना. For example, right now we are studying the chapter. I am explaining you the chapter. Okay. Now after explaining, what will I do? Or what you will do after when I will explain you the chapter? What work you will do? After that, you will do the exercises of this chapter. Yes. So what you are saying? You will do. है ना? आप करेंगे. ये चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन होने के बाद आप क्या करेंगे? आप चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, है ना. तो ये हमारा फ्यूचर का काम है जो हम आगे करने वाले हैं. ओके, इन फ्यूचर वी विल डू. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर will with the verb. What we are using? Will. Okay, so in future tense we use will and shall. फ्यूचर टेंस में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? will और shall यूज करते हैं with the base form of the verb. यहाँ पे जो हमारा verb है वो V1 मतलब कि वो base form में ही रहता है, first form में ही रहता है. ठीक है, will and shall, this is denoting that we are saying a sentence in future tense. Okay, so the verb it will be in the base form only. For example, you can see here, he will eat, they will eat, I will or shall eat. Generally with I we use shall. हम I के साथ ज़्यादातर क्या यूज करते हैं? Shall यूज करते हैं. But if you are using will, it is not wrong. It is also correct. Okay. So this will or shall we use with the base form of the verb in future tense to frame a sentence. Okay, to frame a simple statement. So what is the structure of future tense? First we write the subject. Okay, after the subject will or shall with plus your base form of the verb. Okay, and then the object need. Okay, so all of you have understood simple future tense. It is used to show the actions that will happen in future. जो भविष्य में होने वाला है उन चीजों के लिए, उन चीजों को बताने के लिए, उसके लिए तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस यूज करते हैं जो. ओके, एंड सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस we use will and shall. Okay, with the base form of the verb V1. Will or shall, base form of the verb. This is used in simple future tense. Now let us see what is the structure of framing a statement that I have told you, but again we will see, and how to make a sentence negative and interrogative in future tense. To frame a statement in simple future tense, I told you that future tense, what is the main thing which you keep in mind for future tense? You will write will and shall, है ना? This we will add, and the verb it will be always in your base form. Will and shall and verb in the base form. Okay, so now first to frame a statement, एक simple statement बनाने के लिए what is the structure? First is your subject, then you will write will or shall, then verb in the first form or you can say base form of the verb, and then your object. Okay, for example, Ram will go to the market. Ram market जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये काम जो है राम वो फ्यूचर में करने वाला है. He is going to do this work in future. वो अभी गया नहीं है. He will go. So that is why here you can see that we have used will because we are telling that what work Ram will do in future. So will is used and the verb it is in the base form. Okay, first form of the verb go. Will go. Understood? Same way now negative. Now all of you are knowing that negative means you have to add not. Yes, and this is your future tense. So with not what you will add? you will add will and shall. Okay, so first is your subject, then is will or shall, then not, then again verb in the base form. Okay, first form of the verb and then is your object. Okay, so subject, will or shall, not plus verb in the base form and then is your object. Okay, see the example. Ram will not go to the market. Ram market nahi jayega. So here we are telling the action that Ram will not do in the future. जो future में राम जो काम नहीं करने वाला है, हम उस काम के बारे में बता रहे हैं. राम मार्केट नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है, so Ram will not go to the market. Understood? Again now interrogative. What we do in interrogative sentence? We make a question. We frame the question. Okay. So first the thing which we will write is the question word. Yes. So in future tense your question word is will and shall. ठीक है. Interrogative और simple future tense में हमारा जो question word क्या होगा? Will or shall होगा. So first we will write will or shall. Then is your subject. Then is your verb in the first form, that is the base form, and then is your object, and then is your question mark. Okay, so student, you can see that only the thing, the framing of the structure sentence, the structure it is same in all the tenses, है ना? हमारा subject और object ये हमेशा एक ही जैसा है, but the thing which is changing is the verb, है ना? Verb जो है वो हमारे tense के हिसाब से change होता जाता है. Okay, so here in future tense we will use will and shall to make a question. First we will write will or shall, then we will use the subject, then we will write the verb in first form, and then we will write the object and put the question mark. Okay, see the example. Will Ram go to the market? Question mark. So here I am asking the question, क्या राम मार्केट जाएगा? तो फ्यूचर में ये काम राम करेगा. So I am asking the question for the action of Ram that he will do in future. क्या राम मार्केट जाएगा? ठीक है, फ्यूचर. So will Ram go to the market? Question. Understood? So I hope you have understood this simple future tense. It is very easy. Future tense, it shows the action that is to be done or the action that will happen in future. है ना? जो अभी होने वाला है, जो अभी हुआ नहीं है, होगा, उसको हम सिंपल फ्यूचर में बताते हैं. ओके, उन एक्शंस को बताने के लिए हम सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस यूज करते हैं. एंड फॉर सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस व्हाट वी यूज विल एंड शैल. ओके, ओके, फॉर सिंपल स्टेटमेंट वी यूज विल एंड शैल एंड द वर्ब इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म. टू मेक नेगेटिव वी यूज विल और शैल. With will or shall, then not and the verb in the first form, and to make interrogative we use will or shall, and in the last verb in the first form, and then we put the question mark. Okay, in the last. Yes. So now let's do the